Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful afternoon. I just want to show you the outfit of the day because there is a lot of things imperfect and I find it actually perfect. So first, let's see, I do not have earring, or maybe I have. Okay, let me put on my earring. It's a little bit brownish, and it goes with the warm color of the dress and of the belt. my bag always I put it aside. So this is the color. And yellowish shoes with orange yellowish belt, orange yellowish outfit. So sometimes if I do not have this belt, the belt is too long, I do it this way. It's a little bit fun. And if I do not have a belt, I can use just like that. This way is nothing complicated. You need to pinch in here, pinch in there. Okay, please excuse me. I didn't bring my microphone, so the noise is a little bit too much. Anyway, so this is it. It's shorten or shrink in a little bit. So if there is no this one, it is okay, right? And sometimes I just saw a video of a beautiful lady. She put everything so very well, so nice. And at one time I was envying and enjoying seeing it. And at the same time I am thinking, if we put too much and shows that we make too much effort, it's kind of embarrassing, or it's kind of showing too much. This way, I feel it's relatively relaxed. Everyone wear this way with one button up, one button down. Or if you like, you can make it symmetrical, but it's not so serious, so that you can be more relaxed. Don't you think so? I feel that being relaxed and comfy is more important. So that is it. And I can use it as a belt. Now I tilt it up a little bit. You can see a little bit better, right? So it's not perfect. And that's the point of it. You do not want everything to be just perfect and make you feel that you tried. You didn't try. We do not try. So this is a weekend party time. A lot of people in there. Isn't it fun? Okay. I want you to see my shoes. The whole body. See, this is good. so comfortable to walk, jump, walk. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Go bye bye.